In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Trello account in 2025, also walking you through the Trello password reset guide using the Trello app. Whether you've misplaced your password or just haven't logged in for a while, getting back into your Trello account is straightforward with these simple steps. So let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Trello is a highly popular organizational tool, and starting right from their homepage is the most efficient way to initiate the account recovery process. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll want to look for the login option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Now that you're on the login page, you might notice there's an option that says can't log in. This is specifically designed for situations like yours where you can't remember the password or are having trouble accessing your account. Click on this link to proceed to the password recovery section. Once you're on the recovery page, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Trello account. This is crucial because Trello will use this email to verify your identity and send you the instructions to reset your password. So make sure you enter the correct email address before moving forward. After you've entered your email, you'll see an option to send a recovery link. Click on this, and Trello will promptly send an email containing the necessary instructions. Now navigate to your email inbox. Sometimes this email might end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Upon finding the email from Trello, open it and you'll see a button labeled Set Password. Click on this button, which will redirect you to a page where you can set a new password. It's a good idea to create a password that is strong yet memorable, typically mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your new password and remember to store it somewhere secure for future reference. Finally, when you're happy with your new password, click on the Continue option to finalize the reset process. This step will log you into your Trello account with the new credentials. And there you have it, your Trello account is now recovered and you're all set to continue working on your boards and projects. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.